Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best snow melting torch is probably one of the most effective tools for tackling winter's icy grip. Whether it's clearing your driveway, melting ice on walkways, or preventing dangerous roof ice dams, this torch offers a powerful and efficient solution. Forget about backbreaking shoveling or waiting for the sun. This tool provides instant results, making winter maintenance a breeze and keeping your property safe and accessible throughout the season. Number 5. AUSAIL Propane Torch Weed Burner. This AUSAIL weed torch is built to last, using refractory steel for the torch head. The dual adjustment system gives you complete control with just one hand. It's designed for durability and ease of use. The AUSAIL torch features a piezoelectric ignition for safety and heats up to 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. This ensures both power and comfort during operation. This propane torch is AUSAIL certified, ensuring safe ignition and durability. Rigorous quality control guarantees your safety. You can trust this product for reliable performance. The included 10-foot hose gives you extra reach and safety. It improves maneuverability for outdoor projects. This reduces bending and the risk of injury. The hose is made with a 3-layer PVC-coated rubber, which is oil and scratch-proof. It's also chemical-free, so it's safe for the environment. This torch is built to last and be environmentally conscious. This torch can burn weeds, melt ice, sear food, and more. It's ideal for various uses around the home, garden, or construction site. It's a versatile tool for many different tasks. The AUSAIL torch comes with a 3-year warranty. If there are any quality issues, it will be replaced or refunded. The support team is always available to help. What we like. This torch features a refractory steel head for enhanced durability, ensuring it can withstand high temperatures. The dual adjustment system gives you precise control over the flame with one hand. If you're looking for a torch that prioritizes safety and longevity, you should consider this one. What people say. The weed torch works great and is built very well. It's solid in construction and materials. The 10-foot house makes operation very convenient with a 10 or 20 pounds propane tank. Lighting with the attached lighter is a snap. Gas adjustment is super easy and smooth. Number 4. Propane Torch Weed Burner with 10-foot hose. This weed torch features a high-performance push-button piezo igniter. It has an upgraded spark generator for quick, hassle-free starts. The hose fits various propane tanks. The AUSAIL-certified hose with a POL safety valve ensures secure operation. Each unit undergoes a strict leak test. The valve seal and brass construction provide maximum leak protection. It has a heavy-duty brass flow valve for adjustable heat. The turbo trigger boosts versatility. This torch can reach high temperatures, making it suitable for various applications. This propane torch is made with a one-piece steel design that resists heat, corrosion, and leaks. The non-slip grip ensures comfort and control. The hose is flame retardant and can withstand high pressure. This torch is ideal for weed and stump burning, snow melting, and more. It can also be used for fire lighting and paint removal on non-flammable surfaces. It's a versatile tool for many tasks. What we like. With its efficient ignition system, this torch gets you started quickly and safely. The AUSAIL-certified hose and heavy-duty build provide maximum leak protection and durability. If you value safety and reliability in your tools, it's the perfect choice. What people say. Worked great, installs easily and puts out some real flames. It also works great for quickly melting snow down. The integrated starter is a nice addition and very convenient. Easy to adjust and puts out a very good flame. Number 3. Ivation 500 00 BTU Propane Torch. This propane torch delivers up to 500,000 BTUs, making it perfect for various high heat applications. It's ideal for killing weeds, roofing, welding, and more. The extended 10-foot hose provides improved maneuverability for outdoor projects. You can easily connect it to a standard propane tank and start working. The 11-inch handle stays cool, protecting your hands during operation. It provides exceptional control and superior safety for all your projects. The built-in adjustment knob lets you regulate the flame size for precision. You can boost it to super flame for high-intensity heat. The set includes everything you need to get started, except the propane tank. Use the flint igniter for safe lighting, it's non-toxic and eco-efficient. What we like. This torch delivers a powerful 500,000 BTU output, making it suitable for various high-heat applications. The 10-foot hose gives you extra reach, and the adjustable flame control allows for precision. If you have large projects or need versatility, it's a great option. What people say. The torch is very easy to use. The torch is well made and seems durable. It melts snow and ice very quickly. Number 2. JAYICHENG Propane Torch Wheat Burner. This is the JAYICHENG Propane Torch Wheat Burner. It's designed for various high-heat applications. This tool makes your work easier and more efficient. The torch comes with a beautiful storage bag. It protects the torch and accessories from damage. This makes it convenient to carry and store. This powerful torch heats up to 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. The large nozzle produces a strong flame. It saves you hours of hard work. The kit includes a 10-foot hose and a 1-pound propane cylinder adapter. It's compatible with both 1-pound propane cylinders and standard propane tanks. 2 mounting options are available. The 33-inch length and design prevents you from bending over. The 10-foot hose allows for improved maneuverability. It's perfect for outdoor projects. The propane torches come with CSA certified igniter and hose. This ensures safe ignition and durability. The torch has an igniter for quick and safe flame starting. The gas valve and turbocharger trigger allow for one-hand flame adjustment. It also has an ergonomic handle. What we like. The included storage bag makes it easy to store and transport. It offers dual fuel options, compatible with both standard propane tanks and 1-pound cylinders. The 33 length and design helps you avoid back pain. If you're looking for convenience and flexibility, it's a great choice. What people say. It's easy to hook up, get started and function right out of the box. The flame is easy to control and very strong. Tested out both the included 1-pound propane canister adapter as well as the hose connector to the 20 pounds tank. Both worked beautifully and puts out very robust long blue flame in turbo mode that will roast a hot dog in a New York hot second. The torch wand has a very good length to it and all parts seem very well made. With 2 dogs and trying to avoid a lot of chemicals, this seems to kill the weed seeds and anything else. Hook it up to your grill propane tank and should be enough to deal with any typical yard patio driveway area. Flame is adjustable but the higher power seems to work better. Super easy to use. Number 1. JAYICHENG Propane Torch Wheat Burner Kit. Introducing the JAYICHENG Wheat Burner Kit. This powerful tool makes quick work of various high-heat applications. It's designed to save you time and effort. This kit includes a beautiful storage bag. It protects the torch and makes it easy to carry and store. It's a convenient way to keep everything organized. The torch heats up to over 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. It features a large nozzle for a strong flame and smooth operation. This allows you to tackle tough jobs efficiently. It comes with a 10-foot hose and is compatible with both 1-pound propane cylinders and standard propane tanks. 2 mounting options give you more flexibility. Please note that the propane tank is not included. The 33-inch length design and 10-foot hose provide better reach. You won't have to bend over, reducing back pain. This design enhances both comfort and maneuverability. The torch is CCSAUS certified for safety. It includes a certified igniter and hose. This ensures safe ignition and durability. It features advanced ignition and flame control. The igniter helps you start the flame quickly and safely. The gas valve and turbo trigger allow for easy flame adjustment. What we like. This torch comes with a convenient storage bag and offers dual fuel options for flexibility. It also includes a 36-month warranty, providing peace of mind. If you value convenience, flexibility, and long-term support, you should consider it. What people say. The weed burner works great as well as it is a high-quality build item and does the job quickly and efficiently. Works great. Great product and works great. This definitely needs to be used with great caution, and the turbo mode button really gives a massive blast, helps a lot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.